Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious tuna sandwich just like Subway. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want fresh, high-quality components for the best taste. Choose your favorite Subway-style bread, perhaps Italian or wheat, and get ready to prepare a simple yet flavorful tuna mixture. This guide will walk you through each step for a perfect homemade sub. Now, let's prepare the star of our sandwich, the tuna salad. Start by thoroughly draining 2 cans of tuna. This is crucial for a good texture. Next, in a bowl, combine the drained tuna with approximately 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. For that classic crunch and extra flavor, mix in some finely diced celery, a pinch of salt, and fresh black pepper. Stir until everything is well combined and creamy. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to build your masterpiece. Take your chosen bread and carefully slice it lengthwise, but not all the way through, creating a hinge. This makes it easier to fill. Now, spread a generous and even layer of your creamy tuna mixture across the bottom half of the bread. Then, pile on your favorite fresh toppings, such as crisp lettuce, juicy sliced tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onions. To finish your Subway-style tuna sandwich, consider adding a drizzle of your favorite sauce. A sweet onion or ranch dressing can really elevate the taste. For an extra pop of flavor, add a final sprinkle of salt and pepper to your liking. Now your delicious homemade tuna sub is complete and ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.